Good morning, class 5th student. Let's continue our story. Three beautiful persons. Beautiful person 2. In the previous part, we read about the beautiful person 1. What makes a person beautiful? Good looks, sweet, smart talk, the latest fashions. No. To me, a person has to be a good and an understanding friend. Means what make a person beautiful? For whom do you say that he is or she is a beautiful? Either just the good looking or the way of talking smartly. If they talk, then you can say that they are beautiful. Yeah, or they implies a new fashion or up to date, living up to date, and according to the fashion they followed all the things, so they persons can be called the beautiful persons. No, to me, here we are talking a person, he says no, a boy whose story it is, he say no. To me, a person has to be a good and an understanding friend. A good person should be an understanding friend. His understanding is, if its understanding is good, then we can say he is a good friend or a good person. He has to be honest and supportive. Means beside the understanding is he has to be honest and supportive. Means always ready for the support to others and don't cheat anyone. He should be honest. A beautiful person makes a difference in the lives of those he meets. This describes my best friend Arjun. So here we are talking a boy that name is Arjun, and Arjun's best friend talk or tell us about her qualities. So a beautiful persons make a difference in the lives of those he meets. Means the persons on with they meet, they make a difference with the lives. They having some different life. This describes my best friend that name is Arjun. He is short, dark and stocky. Short means height is short, dark complexion is dark, and stocky means we can say heavy or the strong. Stocky means heavy or strong, but he is the most supportive friend. Being he is short and dark, but he is the most supportive friend. Means every time whenever need, he supports. I have ever met means the complete line that he is the most supportive friend I have ever met. Means till that the friends which they have, so until he have how many friends, nothing bothered, but he is the single one who is most supportive. Arjun is always the first to denounce hurtful jokes and comments. Arjun is always the first to denounce. Denounce means having guts, or we can say having power to speak against the public. To say publicly means to say publicly what things that it is wrong. If something is getting wrong, then person could say publicly, means in front of all the persons without fear, known as a, we can say, denounce. To say publicly that something is wrong. So Arjun is always the first, means he is the first one who denounce hurtful jokes and comments. If there will be some comments or the hurtful situation, some panic situation, so Arjun will be first to denounce it. Arjun is great with kids. Means he is very grateful or the thankful or kind to the kids, while I am quick to snap at Jyoti, my younger sister. Means as a person whom we are talk is quickly angry at her sister who is younger to him, but Arjun is get with that. He patience with her. He patiently treat her, not feeling angriness just in few seconds, but the person quickly angry on her sister. And he can also make everyone laugh with his perfect imitation. And the another quality of the Arjun is that he can perfectly imitate. Perfectly imitate means perfectly copy to others. So he could make laugh everyone by copying other persons. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.